So here we have a compound and we have to find geometrical isomers. So we know that geometrical isomer have chiral center. So first is 4-methylpentone. It don't have a chiral center because of double bond at the end. Same as third and second, they have both double bond at the end. And for geometrical isomerism, we also need to have two different groups. So in second, we have two different groups with the double bond in the center. So it has chiral center also. So answer is B, because they both have double bonded carbon and have two different groups.